We had a major problem with our theater seats in our RV, the seats that came with the RV. It's that fake leather plethora material, and all of a sudden, after about 2 years, they started peeling. And they were peeling all over the place, primarily peeling the worst on the arms, and they just continued to get worse the longer we had them. Also, they were beginning to wrinkle up and started peeling on the back of the seats as well, and also on the top armrest of the center console. I finally found a company that had fabric seats, and it's called RecPro. They're out of Indiana, and what's neat about this company is they have free shipping. I ordered these replacement fabric seats. The fabric is called Faux, and they are excellent. It was so easy to install these seats because there was no tools needed. The back and the seat itself comes in one box, and you just simply snap down the backs on the seats. The actual console was separate. The cup holders were great, as well as you can see how nice the console is. So I don't think you can go wrong with this company. We also replaced our dinette seats because they were peeling as well. But I don't think you can go wrong. I looked everywhere for a company that had fabric RV related seats, and I could not find them anywhere, and came across the company called RecPro. I get no endorsements from them for mentioning their name, but if you're looking to replace your seats, look up RecPro.com. Have a great day.